G'day guys, we say it all the time here at the Injury Rehab Centre, but there's no difference between your anatomy and the anatomy of an elite athlete. And it should be handled the same way when it comes to physical care. So it doesn't matter if it's something like cricket, or if it's soccer, or maybe footy, or even netball, or finally, even golf, right? All of these guys have heaps of elite physiotherapists and osteopaths looking after them around the clock, and they're helping them get back to what they need to do, return from injury, return to play at their best and getting their best performance. That's why here at the Injury Rehab Centre we created our unlimited therapy model, which provides that same elite care to you, but in our facility here. So just for a one payment per week, you can receive unlimited healthcare in the form of hands-on treatment, exercise guidance, and even the use of our fantastic elite rehabilitation facility. So if this is something that's interesting you and you want to get back to your goal, particularly if it's a physical goal, you need to get back to performing at your very best, give us a call here at the clinic, 9553 7024, or go to our website www.injuryrehab.com.au and make a booking. Come and see us today.